Most RV showers waste water and space. Let's rethink that. I'm a travel gear specialist with years of RV experience. Many travelers believe any shower head works for RVs, but comfort, water efficiency, and installation matter most. Let's break down what makes the perfect RV shower. First size, choose compact, ergonomic designs for small spaces. A handheld shower head offers flexibility, and easy use. Look for models with adjustable spray modes for comfort. Water-saving features are essential on the road. High-pressure heads with on-off switches minimize water waste. Efficient showers mean longer adventures without refilling tanks. Installation should be quick and tool-free for travelers. Universal compatibility ensures it fits any RV setup. Chrome and matte black finishes suit modern RV interiors. Multifunction heads offer customizable shower experiences. One-touch stop buttons add convenience and save water. Flexible stainless steel hoses improve reach and comfort. Easy wall mounts keep your shower organized and tidy. Let's see these features in real RV scenarios. Travelers report easier cleaning and faster showers. Water bills drop and tank refills become less frequent. Families enjoy better comfort, even in compact RV bathrooms. Outdoor enthusiasts appreciate the quick installation process. No more struggling with complicated fittings or leaks. Upgraded shower heads transform the travel experience. Choose models with proven water-saving performance. Enjoy more comfort and less hassle on every trip. Ready to upgrade your RV shower for your next adventure? Discover the best options and essential tips today. Maximize comfort, save water, and simplify installation. Enhance your travel experience with the right RV shower. Click the link in the description now to find your perfect RV shower solution.